Hello everyone. My name is Khalil Moussi. I am a PhD student at King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. My main research focus is on the design and fabrication of miniaturized drug delivery systems for biomedical applications. At that time, I was only 5 months old in Tunisia. I didn't know what's happening around. What I know is that I was sitting on a sofa and enjoying my time. Growing up, I wanted to be an engineer and a doctor, but at that time, I had to choose one option. So I became an engineer. Now, I found myself working alongside doctors. So my wish came true. I am going to break the wall of the deadliest disease in the world, coronary artery disease. You know, the heart is a muscle and has a blood supply through the arteries. Coronary artery disease refers to the reduction of blood flow to the heart muscles. When blood doesn't reach the heart muscles, a heart attack can happen and may lead to death. So currently there are two main treatment methods. Coronary artery bypass grafting, which is an open heart surgery that has many risks, among them a high risk of bleeding. In the second method, doctors use a balloon catheter with a metallic stand. They guide the catheter through the arteries all the way to the heart. They leave a metallic stand inside the arteries against the plaque. However, with time, the plaque in and around the stand can happen again, which means blood flow will be decreased. Today, we have a third alternative. With the help of highly experienced cardiovascular surgeons, we have developed a microneedles balloon catheter that will allow doctors to inject and deliver medicines directly to the plaque in order to control and reduce the amount of narrowing inside blood vessels. The catheter is inserted from the patient's arm and guided all the way through the arteries to the heart. When the catheter is guided, the microneedles are protected inside the balloon folds. At the narrowing, the balloon is inflated, allowing the microneedles to penetrate, and then a therapeutic agent can be injected and delivered directly to the plaque in order to control and reduce the amount of narrowing. After that, the balloon is deflated and the catheter is retrieved from the body, all this in a couple of minutes. To do that, we are using a high-resolution 3D printing technique to fabricate biocompatible microneedles with a tip diameter down to 20 microns. We have integrated our microneedles on top of commercial balloon catheters. We have done several animal tests on rat and rabbit blood vessels. We were able to deliver fluorescent dye to the vessel wall. Our solution is not only non-invasive and highly customizable to meet the different patient specifications, but it is much cheaper than the existing methods. Coronary artery disease has been the leading cause of death globally for the last decades, with more than 9 million deaths per year globally, and hospital costs in the US itself reached more than $9 billion to treat this disease. We believe that our device has the potential to save lives all over the world. What keeps me awake at night are the possible challenges that might arise when we move to the clinical trial phase.